Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial and kind of a review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. So Jackie Aina is a YouTuber here on the tube. I'm not like a huge fan of hers, like nothing against her. She's just not a YouTuber that I particularly watch a lot or anything like that. But I always like to support YouTuber collabs, and I love Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows and their palettes, so I wanted to get it for that reason as well. So I'm going to talk about the packaging a little bit, and then I already obviously worked out the eye look I wanted to do. We'll do it. It's a good jump into fall, because it's going to be fall soon, and it's a good fall look. Put my hair up. I've been using clips. I used to use clips like this when I was a kid, and I don't know, I think I saw my friend Heather wearing one or something, and I was like, oh my god, I want it, and I just love it. Like, not that that looks that fantastic, because it really doesn't. Hello, double chin. Okay. Not that it looks that great, but it's just cute, and I miss it. Like, I remember wearing it like this when I was a kid, and I was like, look at my little hair clip and my pony flip, whatever. It is kind of cute. So, anyways, where the heck is the box that this came in? It came in a cute box. I ripped it open because I rip open all my packaging, but it came in a really cute box with, like, snakeskin kind of, like, texture. The actual palette itself also has that snakeskin texture, and it's like holographic iridescent, and it's got her signature, I believe, engraved in it, and I don't think, yeah, that's it. It's a typical Anastasia palette with the same mirror, and it comes with the double-sided brush inside. And then this is an overview of what the shades look like. Now, when I saw this online, I was like, oh my god, we're not going to be able to get any looks out of this. But when I looked at it in person, I'm looking at this, and I'm like, wow, you could actually get some pretty diverse looks out of it. Because we have, like, purples, but we also have golds, and we also have silvers, and we also have browns. We've also got, like, greens and a little bit of a bluey green and chocolate brown. So it's just very unique. I feel like you could get multiple very, very different looks. Like, you could do a bubblegummy pink. You could do a burnt orange, kind of like I did. You could do a chocolate brown with either a silver in the middle, or pink in the middle, or purple, or gold. There's just a lot going on here, and I like it. It's a little overwhelming to look at, but I think it's a good palette. So, let's get into it, because like I said, I already did what I was going to do. So, I just started off by taking, what did I start off by taking? I started off by taking ginger in the corner, which is an orange, on a fluffy brush, and it is a bit dark for my skin tone, so I was just very careful because it's a bit dark. So I'm working this into the outer corner and the regular crease, basically as a blending shade, even though it is a little bit dark for my skin tone's typical blending shade. But like I said, just be careful with it, and it works out. Very, very easy to blend. Anastasia shadows always have a lot of fallout. I feel like these have less fallout than usual, which is cool. I take a little bit of Credit, which is a darker kind of burnt chocolate color, and I'm just going to mix that into my outer corner a little bit, not so much all the way into the center, kind of just sitting on the outer corner. And then I also go in with a more dense brush and take Credit and just kind of pack even more closer to the lash line and work it up into the outer corner. Now, the looks that I always do, you notice, are really quick, and that's kind of like the point. Like, I'm a fast-paced person, I'm a busy person, so even when I wear something as dramatic as this, it took me about 5 minutes. So the goal is that hopefully it will take you guys about 5 minutes. So the next thing I'm doing is taking a flat brush and a Jeffree Star concealer. You can take whatever concealer you want, and I'm just carving out a half cut crease here. You can do the trick that I've showed you guys. I've kind of gotten to the point where I don't need it anymore. And I also have really big eyes, so when you do the trick that I show you, your cut crease ends up going all the way up there on me, and like, I want mine to be a little bit lower this time. I'm not in a rush or anything. I'm just like, I feel like I just do my makeup quick. So these two shades down here are absolutely stunning, and that's why I wanted to use them in this look. So Wiggly's and Zam. Wiggly's is this red color. It's a beautiful red sparkly shimmer, and it's so rare that you see reds in palettes, and I know that I've heard, you know, like Norvina talk about how reds can cause allergies and stuff like that, so I was happy to see a beautiful red. So what I'm doing first is taking that beautiful red and getting the center part of this half cut crease covered in this beautiful red. Now, the pigmentation I noticed when I used this on the other eye, immediately it's beautiful. The pigment kind of, the color you can see kind of disappears a little bit when you blend with other shades. But like, I don't know how to explain it. It almost feels like you're using a gel, like the way that it goes on and it looks like it's almost like wet and it just glides so smooth all over the lid. Like you see, there's no gap, there's no patchiness. And then I'm taking Zam, and when I dipped into Zam, it felt like a different texture. I'm not sure if it is, but this one just felt like a normal, maybe a little bit creamier, metallic-y shimmer shade. This one felt like a true, like, glittery, like, jelly kind of shade. Not sure, you know, what the, like, you push it and it goes in. It just, I don't know. Either way, this was also beautiful. They both come across the same on the eye. They're very, like, wet looking and, like, jelly-like, if that makes sense. Like when you use a glitter that's mixed in with gel, like wet. Am I making any sense at all? I don't know, but my point is I really like it because it goes on so smooth. You don't feel any chunks of glitter. You don't feel any dryness or scratchiness that you can sometimes feel with glittery, shimmery shades. Like, how beautiful is that, right? So, next I go back in with that credit and the Dunce brush just to darken up that outer corner and make sure that we didn't get rid of any of that with our blending. And then for the lower lash line, what I did was go in with the shade Edges, and you can also clean up your cut crease with the shade up here a little bit. It's like a nice burnt orange, and I'm going to take this into my lower lash line. I gotta say, I really do notice a lack of fallout, which is good, especially on the shade here. I don't know why. Like the lighter matte shades, it's easy to see the fallout, and there's just less in the typical Anastasia palette, which for, you know, is cool. So that's literally it for the eyeshadows. I'm about to do my eyeliner, but before I move on to the eyeliner, I just wanted to talk about this a little bit more. I really had a good experience doing this eye with this palette. I really like it, and I feel like you look at this and you wouldn't necessarily pick this look out of it. Like, I don't know. There's so many different looks you can get with this, so let me know if you want to see me do more, because they could be so vastly, dramatically different. Like, I just look at this and I see endless possibilities of dramatic looks that are nothing alike, which is exciting for me. I also really wanted to talk to you about this new liner that I got. This is the Rimmel Scandaleyes 24-Hour Precision Micro Eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner I've ever used in my life. This is what it looks like. You get it at Walmart, Walgreens. I don't know what it is about this liner, but it's so easy to use. It's so black, and I just love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my cat wing on this eye. Okay, that literally took me 2 seconds. And then the mascara that I used is the Power Up by Butter London, which I believe we had to have gotten in a BOXYCHARM. So hopefully some of you guys have it, and you can kind of just recreate this look. I can't remember how much the Jackie Aina palette was. I don't remember if it was more or less than their typical palettes. I just bought it. Probably around $42, I would say, or $45. And there was a pre-release. People thought that it sold out, but it didn't. It was just a pre-release. I did not get mine on the pre-release. I got mine on the regular release, and it only took, I don't know, maybe, when did I order this? What day is it? I don't know. I feel like it only took like 4 days to get here, so I'm not really sure. I'm actually thoroughly excited to use this palette to like create different looks. The thing is, for whatever reason, in the wintertime, I tend to do more dramatic looks with darker colors, which I guess makes sense. But I never wear eyeshadow in the summer, maybe because it's like too hot and like whatever. But to me, when fall comes, I'm like ready for it. I'm here and I'm ready to do like more makeup looks. So I'm inspired by this palette. Guys, don't forget to follow my new Instagram. It's Kelsey Alfred 2. It's going to be like my makeup YouTube Instagram, and my other one's private now. You can still follow my private one. I just have to make sure that you're not like from my new job and stuff like that, because I post pictures in my bathing suit, etc. So yeah, this is it. I really don't know what else I could say. I feel like I rushed through this video. I didn't mean to. There's no reason for that. Like, I don't have anything to go do or anything. I just feel like I like to do quick eye looks so that it's quick for you too. You know what I mean? And you can see how quick it is with like minimal editing. So again, these are what the shades look like. I could see such a sick look going on with the purple and the silver. I could see a sick look going on with these purple and pinks. I can see something weird going on with that shade. I don't know. I see so many things in this palette, so let me know if there's specific difficult colors you want me to do a look with, and I'd be happy to do it. The packaging is just beautiful. I love Anastasia palettes in general. The shape, the packaging is always thick, fluffy, and nice, and these are my favorite eyeshadows. Anastasia is my favorite eyeshadows, to be honest with you, palette-wise, like small, compact palette-wise. I like Morphe, the big ones, but you feel me? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick tutorial that's still super dramatic. I'm wearing Morphe Stunner liquid lipstick on the lip. Very, very bold, very not patchy, very good liquid lipstick. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow my Instagrams, and because I'll probably try to post a good makeup look of this and tag people in it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys down below.